Environmental law. Here we will see the important questions on this subject. First is the functions of the State Board under the Water Act 1947. Under this Water Act 1947, what are the functions of the State Board? Functions of the State Board, it is in given section 17 of the Act. First is to plan a comprehensive program for the prevention, control or abatement of a pollution of streams and wells in the state. To advise the state government or any matter concerning the prevention, control or abatement of a water pollution. To collect and disseminate the information relating to the water pollution and the prevention, control or abatement. To encourage, conduct and participate in the investigations and research relating to the problems of water pollution, prevention, control or abatement. Collaborating with the central board to train the person employed or to be employed in preventing, controlling the water pollution. To evolve methods of utilizing the sewage and suitable trade influence in agriculture. To inspect sewage or the trade influence, work and the plans for the treatment of sewage. Works for the purification and the system for the disposal of a sewage. Next is to evolve the economical and reliable methods of a treatment of a sewage trade influence having regard to a peculiar conditions of a soil, climate and water resources of different regions. Then to lay down the standards of a treatment of a sewage and trade influence to be discharged into any particular stream. To make, vary or evoke any order for the prevention, control or abatement of a discharge of a waste into the streams or wells. To advise the state government with respect to the location of any industry. To enable the state board to perform its function efficiently, including the analysis of samples of the water from any stream or a well or of the samples of any sewage or trade influence. The board is empowered to establish or recognize a laboratory or laboratories. So these are the functions of the State Board under the Water Act 1947. Conducting the programs to prevent, control or abatement of a pollution. Then to advise the state government about the pollution and how to prevent it. To collect the samples. Then to investigate the matters or to encourage and conduct and participate in the investigations. Next is to study the trade influence which are found in agriculture. To inspect the sewage or the trade influence work and the plans for the treatment of the sewage. To implementing the purification plants which are reliable and economically easy to apply to remove the dangerous material from this trade influence. To lay down the standards means to lay down the guidelines. To advise the state government with respect to the location of any industry. So these are all the powers of the state board under the Water Act 1947.